how to upload videos to Patreon. So first, go to your Patreon account. Next is just click on create here or here. So just click on create and then just choose video. Okay, now here you can type or paste your video URL here and then add in a title here as well. So I'll just type in title here, and then you can tell your story or description here for the video, and you can also add your attachments here. Just click on upload and then add your tags. So if you want to preview your post, you can preview it here. Just click on it and you can see it like this, and then you can also see the mobile web view and email. So after that, just click on next, and then you just need to customize all of the details here, and then just click on publish and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.